Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to translate page in Zen browser. First thing I want you to do is just open up any web page, and then I want you to just come here and click on these three dots at the top left, and then you'll actually see this option right here that says translate page, and you can choose to translate the page from English or any language you want to another language. So let's say in this case we'll go ahead and pick German, click here on translate, and as you can see the web page will begin translating to German. So you just have to wait for a few seconds. There you go, it has translated. But if you go and refresh this page, it will go ahead and give you the default web page, which will be, for example, English. And if you want, you can also go ahead and translate a specific text on the page. Let's say just this one. Just highlight that text, right click, and then you just click on select translation right here, selection to German. Of course, you can choose another language here as well. But then here is our translation for this specific part without changing anything on the actual web page. And really that easy. If you found it helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to Quick.